We're going to go into sales, and we're coming down to setup. Here's the customer type. We're going to, right now we just have retail. We're going to add new, and we're going to put wholesale, active, and save. So now we have two different customer types. We're going to go to payment method. Here we're going to see the different kinds of payment methods that we have in here so far. We have cash, check, credit card. We're going to add a new one, and we're going to go COD, and we're going to save. And now we have cash, check, credit card, or CODs. Sales reps. Right now we have two sales reps. We're going to add a new one. We're going to put in the initials, and we're going to create and close. So now we have 3 sales representatives. Payment terms. Right now we have 0, net 30, net 15. We're going to add a new one. We're going to name it, let's see, we're going to put it as a COD, due in 0 days, active, yes, okay, we're going to save this, and we're going to have a COD. We're going to go back and edit, and we're going to put a due in 0 days, and we're going to save it. So now that shows due in 0, we're going to do a COD. Now we have several in the payment terms. Shipping methods. Right now we have FedEx, FedEx Ground, C, we're going to add a new one. And we're going to put UPS. And we're going to save. Now we have FedEx, FedEx Ground, C, UPS. I think we're going to add a new one. And we're going to put USPS. And save that one also. So when we have the drop down box now for the shipping methods, we will have UPS and USPS. For deleting customers, let's see, customer name. As you can see right now we have no deleted customer list, and that is our setup process.